Somebody's feeding all the geese over there. Well, geese and ducks, I suppose. And swans.
This is the back of the Oriental.
Yeah, this is the back of the Oriental Express.
Restaurant.
The sign
The
there.
buffet.
The sign there says Mega Buffet. And
Ooh,
from
it's
the
more on the orange beak.
the geese with the orange beak. That's what she's on about.
So pretty, no?
The island there's got like a little water feature. He's running to see whether the bird's following.
Well, there's a fountain there. Maybe we can go there in the middle.
No, it's are you going to walk across?
No, not
Can you walk on water? Are you Jesus?
there. Oh, there.
Yeah, the island is in the middle. Yeah. The geese are coming to you thinking you've got food, look. Don't chase them. So this is what they call the boat lake, or boating lake, should I say. Yeah. So there is the Canadian geese there as well, but there's more of the ones with the orange beak.
Oh, you mind the they're following.
Yeah, that's what he's doing. He ran up there and then they all followed him up there. I think he's trying to share them out, the food that he's got.
Yeah.
We haven't got food for you. Oh, and I dropped your phone in there.
Huh?
So I'm going to drop your phone.
Drop my phone. So that's twice now if it will drop.
Yeah. It's on my contract anyway, it doesn't matter.
But the contract is until 3 years. That's new.
Very noisy, aren't they? Oh, there's a little statue on that island as well. Somebody with a Wellington boot. I don't know what relevant that is, but...
But there is an area only for the feeding of them.
The feeding?
This area for the feeding box.
Ah, yeah, there was a...
Feeding.
Yeah, a feeding area.
There are some...
Very noisy.
This one is only one?
No, there's loads.
Some.
Oh, there's a white goose as well.
Yeah.
There's the boats that you could hire if you were going to be here in the daytime. Yeah, there's one swan there, and then there's 3 more over there.
Maybe they lay eggs, no?
Yeah, that's where duck eggs come from.
Yeah, the eggs. Maybe they...
Yeah,
egg, well, maybe they lay...
if they were going to lay them, I would think they would lay them on the island.
Yeah, because there are many.
Yeah. Well, normally when we see them, we see the babies, don't we?
Yeah.
See the seagull there, it's got something, it's... Let's quieten down a little bit. Yeah, normally we see them with the baby geese, don't we? Them little fluffy grey things.
Wait, what did you have? The fish, the bird also?
There's tatty everywhere. What?
Yeah.
Oh, is it a bird?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a crow or something that has
The
been...
black...
Oh, you don't want to see that on your video. Yeah. So that seagull was pecking... Is it well, I don't know if it's a pigeon or something like that, but... Yeah, you don't want to put that on your video, do you? It's coming back for seconds. The seagulls are... cannibal. Yeah, so some of these boats I would assume you can hire. There's one that's like a big swan that's covered over. See, the swans are a bit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so there's at least 5. And that guy's still over there feeding them, but he's probably giving them bread. Well, he's got a big carrier bag of stuff. I don't know what he's got.
That's the food.
There's tatty everywhere.
Yeah, but the tae is dry. If it's rain, of course, it's not good.
Not all of it.
Nice weather today, so we are here still at the Cleethorpes.
What was it? Cleveland.
Cleethorpes.
She forgot, so it died away.
Cleethorpes.
Cleethorpes.
Cleethorpes. Yeah, with S.
Yeah.
Cleethorpes.
Cleveland.
Cleethorpes.
Yeah. She forgot.
They're pretty.
And on one of our other videos, there was a bird that we saw. I thought it was a heron.
Yeah.
It was a cormorant.
Cormorant.
Yeah.
Can you go here?
I don't know.
Maybe it will fall.
Stay to the edge.
Before, we're going there. Now it's going here now.
We decided to change it.
Hey, look at this one. Look at this one.
And yet when we were at the other place the other day, there was babies, weren't there? But there isn't any babies here.
So many geese here also.
Like I say, that's the Canadian one and the grey lag.
Oh.
And also,
Grey lag, the orange beak.
Yeah. Also the the moorhens.
Yeah.
The moorhens have got the red bit
Yeah.
at the front, and if it's white, it's a coot.
No, we have no food.
I've just been studying up on the board over there.
There. Don't step na tayo, my love.
Yeah, I know.
Mental.
There's either a moorhen or a coot.
Have no food. Look at that, the wing. The wings, oh. This one. It's hard.
Oh yeah, the heart.
Yeah.
6 of them now, so that's 3 pairs. So blacker. Is that just tatty from somebody else? I think it might be.
Goodbye. Cork.
There's more swans this way.
These are the breeds here. Because there is a fountain there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
more swans here.
Maybe we can go here. 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 Oh, there.
Let's go this way.
Reed beds.
The habitat for them.
Mm. Look. No. Have no food. This one here.
Oh, there's a heron, look.
Where?
See the heron?
Oh yeah, the heron. Oh yeah. There you go, the heron.
Yeah, so the other one we saw at one of those parks, the one that was under the bridge, and
Yeah.
it was like fish. I say it was fishing. That was actually a cormorant. So that's a moorhen, because it's sorry, not moorhen,
Heron.
heron, because it's got the white neck or light grey,
Oh.
and it's just looking for fish. It just stays very still. Stays
Steady.
Very still, yeah.
It's not moving. Oh
Yeah.
my
And
god.
then he waits for the fish to come. It'll just go.
Oh. Really? Ah. Let's go now because it's too. Hey!
You just want to scare them.
Hey! It's okay.
If you go slowly, then hopefully they won't get scared.
Some other here. Oh, this is not a food. Look.
It's amazing what they can do with their neck, isn't it?
So big, no? Big.
I watched an episode of QI on my phone the other night, and there was something about some famous person or something had said that the best thing to clean your butt with was a goose.
Hey!
A goose's neck.
Wow!
As if you hold the head in one hand and then the other bit, and then go in between your legs and kind of go like that, you know, like you would a towel.
Really? Can try, my love.
I don't think I'd want to. Maybe that's where the brown colouring comes from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 swans.
10?
Yeah. There's 10 in this bit.
Yeah.
And then
More than there are 2.
Yeah, I
You
counted them.
counted already?
Counted them.
That's it?
There's 10
Ay!
in this bit.
Yeah.
That's here, there were 6 in the other half. My shoes are covered in tattoo, you know.
Don't know.
I can feel the bumps stuck under my shoes.
Ah! You can wipe in the grass. Because we're going to the room.
Yeah, it's alright, by the time we walk there, it'll be gone.
Ah! But still there.
No.
Bye!